You've probably heard Moringa called the miracle tree, and trust me, it lives up to the hype. Today I'll walk you through exactly how to make Moringa powder at home, from seed to spoon. Let's jump in. First off, growing. Moringa thrives in warm climates with lots of sunlight. If you've got a garden or even a big pot, you're set. Plant the seeds in loose, well-drained soil. Water lightly and give it about 7 to 10 days to germinate. Once it grows to about 4 to 6 feet, it's ready for harvesting. That might take a few months, so patience is key. When it's time to harvest, snip the branches early in the morning. That's when the nutrient levels are highest. Strip the leaves from the stems by hand or using a wide-toothed comb. You want only the leaves, no stems, no flowers. Now drying. This is where you preserve all that green goodness. Spread the leaves in a single layer on a mesh, screen, or tray. Keep them in a shaded, well-ventilated space, never in direct sun. Alternatively, use a dehydrator set to no more than 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees C. Drying usually takes 12 to 24 hours depending on humidity. Another great method, use fans and a dehumidifier in a controlled indoor space. Speeds up drying while protecting nutrients. They should feel crispy and crumble easily when ready. Next up, sifting. This helps remove any twigs or discolored bits you might have missed. Just run the dried leaves through a medium sieve. Any rough bits, toss them out. Then comes the fun part, powdering. Use a high-speed blender, spice grinder, or even a mortar and pestle. Blend until you get a fine green powder. It should be smooth and fluffy, almost like matcha. Now sift again. This second sift ensures a silky texture and removes any leftover coarse bits. Trust me, it makes a difference. Final step, packaging. Store your powder in an airtight container, away from light and heat. A dark glass jar or sealed bag in the pantry works great. Label it with the date. It can stay potent for a few years if stored properly. And there you go. Homemade Moringa powder, pure, fresh, and packed with nutrients. Add it to smoothies, soups, or teas, and give your health that extra kick. If you found this helpful, drop a like and hit subscribe for more home wellness tips. Stay green, stay glowing,